Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're gonna present our mini project, which is making a virtual machine. Okay, so my name is Balqis Shuhada binti Badrul Hisham, with matric number 18130243, and my friends member in this group are Nur Izzati binti Azmi 18130244. Okay, so in this mini project, we need to create the virtual machine. We can choose any virtual machine that suitable for our project. So the task that have been given to us is we need to create the virtual machine to host a web server and manipulate the security for cloud, access control, web server security, and boot the firewall. Next, we're going to create the virtual machine. So let's go. Okay, so we need to log in to the Google email. So we need to open the window, search for Google Cloud Console. So we have to create the account for the with the billing address for security information. Okay, this is such example for some security step for the creating the virtual machine. So next, this is the place for create instance. Okay, so this is the configuration that we need to do for machine configuration. Firstly, the name of our virtual machine, instance 1. So for region and zone, we're gonna leave it for default. Next, for series, choose E2. Okay, then for machine type, choose E2 media. For boot disk, operating system, for before this Debian. This mini project we want to change to Ubuntu because such one of the software that we have been installed before this, which is we stick to the Ubuntu, use it for our operating system. So for the version for this Ubuntu is we take for the latest Ubuntu version, which is Ubuntu 18. Next is firewall. Okay, so we need to allow the HTTP traffic for the firewall. Then for the specification of this, so we have been turned on for VTPM and turned on for integrity monitoring. Okay, then we create the. Okay, so we can see here table for our instance. We have successfully created the virtual machine, which is the name is instance 1. The status is right with green color, so the instance is running successfully. This is the internet IP for my laptop. So that's all from me. Izzati Azmi will continue for the SSH part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Azmi with matric number 18130244. So I will continue doing the demonstration for the virtual machine. So just like Balqis created, we have the virtual machine, and as we can see, this is the external IP. So this is like the local host or the IP for web page. So if we copy this web page, this external IP, and paste it into new tab, we'll get an error because we did not connect it to SSH yet. So we go back to this one and we click on SSH, and it will open an SSH console. So we connect. So it might take a while. Okay, so we are done for connecting, and now we're using this reference. So we'll be running a basic Apache web server using SSH. So first we need to install all the package and update the Apache. So we just copy this code to install and update the Apache. Paste here, and okay, we need to wait for a while until the process finish. Okay, done. So after that, we need to verify either the Apache is running correctly or not. So we copy again this code, and okay, so we can see here the code saying that the Apache is actively running. So we go to the next step, which is okay, but before that, just now we want to open this external IP, but there's nothing displayed because we didn't connect it to SSH yet. So if we open it now, we refresh the page, and then it will display the web page with this information and design. So we go back to here. Okay, so this is a code to display some text in the Apache web server for web page. So I copy this code and paste it here. Okay, so this code is HTML code. We actually can edit the code just like we want. So here is the code hello world. So I delete this and put my own word, because we can adjust the code according to what we want. Okay, and then okay, we press enter, and then we'll go back to the page just now and refresh. So here the previous web page from Apache web server we already edited the interface, and we display the word or anything that we want. So I put mini project Izzati and Balqis here. So I think that's all for the demonstration. We basically can create a virtual machine and connect it to SSH, and we also set the security and firewall rules, and finally we managed to run a web server and display a web page according to what we want. So I think that's all for the demonstration. Thank you.